Okay, so we set up another one. Well, we are setting it up. I'm just here and I'm eating suman, but I don't want any more because I got. But they are setting up another one, and I'm just here chilling in my hammock. This hammock's nice. I like it. Then there's that one. Sitting there. Mother, mother. Okay, I'll catch it.
No, I'm not gonna catch it. Dapat marunong nito kasi siya nag-gymnastic eh. Si Lola pang
Whoa!
ginapaan.
Why are you calling yourself a grandma?
Yan, nalaglag na ang Lola pa. Ang Lola na.
So she took it, and now I have these. I'm just gonna clear my palate. Cleanse my palate. That's preppy. I'm just chilling here. I'm just trying to look for a smaller piece. Okay, I'm probably gonna get off now because not get off the hammock, but get off the vlog. I'll vlog in a minute. It's just the phone's about to die. So.